Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Thursday, January 25th, 2018. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was down 1.18% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 11,270, a high of 11,702, and a low of 10,963. That's $1 for 8,892 Satoshis. Stock trading app Robinhood to launch Bitcoin Ethereum trading in 5 states. The long-awaited competition for Coinbase seems to be here in the form of the stock trading app Robinhood. I've never tried Robinhood myself, but people say that you can buy parts of a stock. So Robinhood forwards and explains the idea that Coinbase can't seem to explain, the idea that you can buy part of a Bitcoin. Sure, you could buy part of an Ethereum, but you could also buy part of a Bitcoin. So this is very exciting news for Bitcoin. Everyone in the mainstream media is celebrating this. They're all seeing this as a new way for investors to invest in Bitcoin. No word yet what the actual interface or configuration will be like. Main question is, can you withdraw your Bitcoin from Robinhood app? Is this just trading Bitcoin tokens, or is it more? We don't know. Watching the viewer count go up, everyone give us a thumbs up and a share. That'll help more people find the show. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin explains why he's really looking closely at Bitcoin. His number one focus, whether it be digital currencies or Bitcoin or other things, is to make sure that they're not used for illicit activities, Munchin told CNBC. The IMF, the International Monetary Funds, Christian Lagarde says the agency has already started monitoring and surveilling and analyzing the risks associated with the development of cryptocurrencies and the potential benefits out of it. Oh, didn't expect that part at the end. I thought it was mainly risks and fears. Could there be potential benefits in Bitcoin other than making all the early adopters rich? Could there be something more? Bitcoin bull reversal cited, but momentum proves weak. We need more buyers. That's right. Coinbase analysis shows that the bull reversal is confirmed, but we're not seeing the support. The 5-day moving average and 10-day moving average carry a bearish bias and could limit the upside in Bitcoin. A bullish doji reversal occurs when a doji candle, as seen on Tuesday, is followed by a positive price action, yesterday's 5% gain. So the short-term outlook is bullish, but no one knows. So why shouldn't I buy Bitcoin? That's a good question. Bitcoin bounces back. Will it last? Media is just so full of questions these days. Bitcoin is gambling and regulations are needed. Canada central bank head says. There's just so much news today. Remember when there was no news at all and we used to cover this store takes Bitcoin, this gas station in Wyoming takes Bitcoin? Every day, CNBC, Fortune magazine, big time news. Bitcoin's a star. And once again, same thing. Canada, you can't regulate Bitcoin. You can regulate the part where fiat goes in and out of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin just keeps operating like a vacuum cleaner, sucking in all of the world's assets, bringing doom and gloom for everyone who works on Wall Street or in a bank. This is the MP3. This is your computer moment. The computer is a copy machine, and it can do what you do better. This is what the average Bitcoin owner looks like. That's right, Richard Branson. I'm surprised they don't have the picture of the average Bitcoin owner on the back of a jet ski with a girl on his back. That's what they all look like. But as the article says, the average Bitcoiner, 71% male, 58% young, between the ages of 18 and 34 years old. Damn, I'm old. Why did they buy Bitcoin? A combination of a lack of trust and an opportunity for return. Why not get both? Political philosophy and great riches. Hooray for Bitcoin. A swarm of derivative traders will soon have access to pure Bitcoin. I like the way it says pure, uncut Bitcoin. Ooh, nasty. Bitcoin boom part 2. Prices could triple by the year's end. Woo! More outlandish claims from the mainstream media as the battle to say who can predict the highest price for Bitcoin continues. Remember, Mad Bitcoins has already predicted the price of infinity. That is to say, Bitcoin will suck in all of the world's wealth. All of it. And finally, congratulations to Bitcoin developer Jimmy Song, friend of the show, who is now at Blockchain Capital. Jimmy Song joins Brock Pierce and Jeremy Gardner, also friends of the World Crypto Network, at Blockchain Capital. I also got a great tour from Blockchain Capital when I was in San Francisco. So shout out to them and shout out to Jimmy Song. Thanks so much for watching Today in Bitcoin. We'll be back tomorrow with another episode, and then we'll be gathering up the Bitcoin group if I can find them. Be sure to subscribe if it's your first time. Give us a thumbs up and a share. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to stall for 4 minutes with the chat. Chat, are you ready? The 4-minute stall. Ken Bozak, who was just on the interview with Andy Hoffman, check that out on the World Crypto Network, gave us $4.20, told us to hodl Bitcoin, rocket ship, smiley face. ABBA buys their Bitcoin from a Bitcoin ATM. They liked Ken's interview. They say Bitcoin's going up now. Tone's wrong again. We don't know yet. They say Tone made this possible. Dan Williams says, hodl Ken Bozak. Thanks for your support. Chris says he's older than Thomas. That can't be possible. To infinity and beyond. That seems like a popular slogan for Bitcoin. Model T is Henry Ford's true vision. And remember, as Henry Ford said, you can have any color you like as long as it's black. And he was also a racist. Jokes. Anyway, they like Ken's names. They think I can't stall for 4 minutes. Ken wants to be on the World Crypto Network. He'll be our wild card, our goose, our jester. Jester? Here's the question, chicken or the egg? If everyone who wants crypto coins instead of fiat money because they're better, who wants to keep fiat money? Uh-oh. Could be a price for the fiat money supply. What are we going to do? Break the mempool? They say, cheers, $2. Give it a week, give it a week. Oh, just hold and wait. The price crash might also kill Coinbase. Not a good thing, not a bad thing. And of course, Robinhood is the story of the week. Tron is a scam. It's a coin. It's a sell-off. What about Tron the movie? Is Tron going to pump? I like Tron the movie. Ken can juggle. Kinda. Still 2 minutes to go. Stand Up PDX only has $100 in fiat. What should he do? Buy crypto. The pig who laid the egg off course. Curious poetry from the chat. When will it start? It's already started. This is the end. Maybe you could rewind. CoinSquare is setting up for an IPO. Everyone had really like an IPO, not an ICO. How novel. Jimmy in the chat is ready. Daniel says, what will Jimmy do? I don't know. He's going to analyze ICOs or something, whatever they do at Blockchain Capital. Look for cool investments. I'll bet Bitcoin forks will be a part of it. Everyone loves Bitcoin forks. They're the greatest new cereal. Classic Bitcoin forks, now with sugar. Thomas, you should have a show narrating chat the whole time. I do have a show like that. I'd watch. Bust that ass. 2018 is a retirement year for many, but a bloodbath for fiat holders. We did a drinking show one time. It was an absolute disaster. We'll never do again. Taken off the internet. Send $25 to Mad Bitcoins with a QR code on your screen or subscribe at patreon.com. Oh, it's 11:05. We're out of time for today. Until next time, bye-bye.